In 2012, the Novato History Museum acquired the archives of the former Novato Advance Newspaper. The archives include photographs, documents, and most of the newspapers themselves dating from 1922 to December of 1999. The history of Novato's second newspaper begins with William Hanen, who founded the Advance newspaper in 1922 from a small office in the Flatiron Building located at Grant and Scott Streets. Hanen came to California in 1921 and served a term in the California State Assembly as a representative from Mendocino County before relocating to Novato and establishing the community newspaper. The first edition was published on July 1, 1922, and the paper's popularity quickly grew. The Advance was originally published on the first and third Saturday of each month until 1924, when the paper became a weekly. In 1923, the paper moved its operation to a new building located at 868 Grant Avenue. William and his wife Eva, Sherlock, operated the newspaper from 1922 until 1940, when the business was sold to Jack and Barbara Sparrow, who ran the paper until 1952. Holiday editions of the Advance were annual favorites among locals, sharing stories from holidays past and numerous family holiday recipes. The Advance continues to be published online as part of the Marinscope community newspapers more than 95 years after its founding, and the Novato History Museum Archives is happy to be the custodian of this historical collection of items. Open to the public for research by contacting the Novato History Museum.